Today's video, something a little different, sightseeing day. I've serviced the pool heaters, serviced the fans at the surf club. I thought I'd walk out here while the heaters are running. Wait till they get good and warm, and if they're still running when I walk back, then I'll pass them as good to go and head on to my next call. But to get a little exercise and a beautiful view, I figured I'd walk out to the beach. This place is interesting because it does have rocks. Most of the beaches down here don't. Turtle nest. Raining over there. When I was driving down from St. Augustine, it started raining and I drove out of it. Now I've got a nice 45-minute ride down A1A, so I get to look at all the beach between here and Ormond. Once again, I'm back at Sable Palms Retirement Community, and I thought it funny when the maintenance director asked me to park here, because I've spoke to my wife about moving into one of these in the future. She'll get a kick out of this. Two more done, two more to go. 5 on the other roof. But this time, I put my tag on it. I think I'm going to hook up a gas dryer next. We'll see what happens next. Gas pipe to a fire pit. Ran CSST from the meter all the way over here through the sleeve the fire guys provided. Put a little standpipe in the valve. We hand dug it from there through the edge of the mulch all the way to here, pounded a sleeve under the sidewalk, popped it around, tied it in. Also did a flush on his on-demand heater today. He'll need service valves the next time I do it. Those are pretty bad shape. Beautiful space. Me and my man are packing up and we are getting out of here to go one more.